For decades, the United States has held the crown when it comes to revolutionary aircraft. From stealth bombers to cutting-edge reconnaissance planes, America's black projects have often been shrouded in mystery, revealed only after years of speculation. Now, rumors are swirling again about a hypersonic aircraft said to be even faster than the legendary SR-71 Blackbird. Known to enthusiasts as the SR-91 Aurora, this rumored jet could reach speeds beyond Mach 5, sparking whispers of a new arms race between the US, Russia, and China. But what exactly is Aurora? Is it real? And how does it tie into America's next generation of hypersonic aircraft like the SR-72? Let's dive into the legend, the facts, and the incredible technologies that could redefine the future of aerial dominance. From stealth shadows to hypersonic dreams, the US has a track record of building more stealth aircraft than any other nation. Its current fleet includes the F-22 Raptor, F-35 Lightning II, and the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, each representing billions of dollars in research and development. Yet, for every plane that made it into active service, there are dozens of experimental prototypes and canceled projects hidden deep within Pentagon vaults. Much of this secrecy comes from America's reliance on black programs, classified development projects shielded from public and even congressional oversight. Within these programs exist special access projects, and in the most extreme cases, unacknowledged SAPs, where details are shared verbally among only the highest-ranking officials. It was within this environment that whispers of Aurora first began. The birth of the Aurora legend. The Aurora story traces back to the late 1980s when a mysterious line item appeared in the U.S. defense budget. Aviation Week in Space Technology speculated that Aurora referred to a secret new aircraft program, while Lockheed's former Skunk Works head, Ben Rich, later suggested the name was linked to the stealth bomber competition that produced the B-2 Spirit. Rumors persisted that Aurora was something far more exotic. Over the years, reports of strange contrails, unexplained sonic booms, and mysterious aircraft sightings added fuel to the fire. In the North Sea, engineer Chris Gibson claimed to have seen a triangular aircraft refueling mid-air alongside F-11 bombers. In California, seismic sensors designed to monitor earthquakes detected shockwaves unlike those produced by known aircraft. Even the British Royal Air Force had officers reporting unusual aerial phenomena that were quickly brushed aside. One particularly intriguing incident occurred at RAF Boscombe Down in the UK, where an unknown US aircraft reportedly made an emergency landing. The plane was quickly covered, guarded, and removed under a veil of secrecy, leading many to believe Aurora had briefly surfaced before disappearing again into the classified world. Was Aurora real? The truth about Aurora remains elusive. To this day, no official photographs, technical manuals, or confirmations have been released. Some aviation experts believe Aurora was simply a phantom project, a placeholder name for something entirely unrelated. Others argue it was a real hypersonic test platform, possibly scrapped once the SR-72 project gained traction. Regardless of its reality, Aurora's legend underscores one undeniable fact. The United States has long pursued hypersonic flight, and the need for such an aircraft is clear. The Blackbird, America's supersonic icon. Before looking toward the hypersonic future, it's important to revisit the legendary aircraft Aurora was rumored to replace, the SR-71 Blackbird. Developed in the 1960s by Lockheed's Skunk Works, the Blackbird was decades ahead of its time. Capable of cruising at Mach 3.2, over 2,200 miles per hour, at altitudes of 85,000 feet, it was virtually untouchable by enemy aircraft or missiles. Its sleek, dark design not only reduced radar visibility, but also helped manage the intense heat created by extreme speeds. Power came from two Pratt & Whitney J58 turbojet engines, which transitioned from afterburners to a ramjet-like mode at high velocity, enabling incredible efficiency. The SR-71 also used a unique fuel, JP7, so stable it needed a chemical called triethylborane to ignite, producing a striking green flash during startup. Outfitted with advanced cameras and radar, the Blackbird could capture images spanning up to 100 miles in a single frame, making it an invaluable intelligence asset. During more than 30 years of service, no SR-71 was ever shot down. Its unmatched speed, altitude, and countermeasures rendered it a ghost in the sky. Yet, as technology advanced, the demand for an even faster aircraft became inevitable. Enter the SR-72, the son of the Blackbird. While Aurora remains shrouded in mystery, the SR-72, known as the son of the Blackbird, is very real, with Lockheed Martin confirming its development as an unmanned hypersonic aircraft expected to take flight by 2025 and potentially enter service around 2030. Designed to achieve speeds of Mach 6, it would travel twice as fast as the SR-71, making it capable of outrunning missiles and slipping past the most advanced air defenses. At its core is a revolutionary turbine-based combined cycle TBCC engine, developed with Aerojet Rocketdyne, which uses a turbine for takeoff and lower speeds before transitioning into a ramjet/scramjet for hypersonic flight, all through a single inlet and exhaust system that reduces drag and complexity. To endure the blistering heat at such velocities, the SR-72 will feature carbon-carbon composites instead of titanium, pushing the limits of aerospace materials. Unlike its predecessor, it won't rely on conventional bombs or missiles. Instead, it is expected to carry powerful directed energy weapons, with tests already showing a 350-kilowatt laser capable of slicing through metal. Adding to its futuristic profile, the SR-72 will likely incorporate AI-driven avionics, enabling semi-autonomous or fully unmanned missions, and design features such as a cockpit invisible when viewed head-on, and a unique R2-D2 style dome thought to support astronomical navigation. Together, these innovations position the SR-72 as a true leap forward in hypersonic aviation. Beyond the SR-72, the future of air combat. The SR-72 is envisioned as far more than just a reconnaissance aircraft. Many analysts believe it could play a central role in the U.S. Air Force's Next Generation Air Dominance NGAD program, a futuristic ecosystem where hypersonic jets, advanced fighters, drones, and AI operate together as one integrated combat force. Potential NGAD features include active flow control, where sophisticated onboard computers continuously adjust airflow to maintain stability without the need for traditional vertical stabilizers, mimicking the natural flight of birds. The aircraft may also employ smart skins, turning its outer surface into a vast sensor array that enhances situational awareness while preserving stealth. Its open architecture design would allow rapid upgrades in weapons, avionics, and sensors, ensuring it stays ahead of global rivals. Most importantly, through networked warfare, the SR-72 could act as a real-time information hub, seamlessly linking data between aircraft, drones, and satellites to create a battlefield where every unit shares the same intelligence. With these innovations, the SR-72 and its successors have the potential to redefine aerial combat, merging reconnaissance, strike missions, and electronic warfare into a single, unstoppable platform. The strategic implications. Hypersonic technology isn't just about speed, it's about strategy. The ability to strike anywhere on the globe in minutes, evade modern air defenses, and conduct near-instant reconnaissance gives the US a massive advantage. Russia and China are also racing to develop hypersonic systems, from glide vehicles to cruise missiles. For the Pentagon, staying ahead isn't just about prestige. It's about maintaining deterrence in an increasingly multipolar world. If you enjoyed uncovering the secrets of Aurora and the SR-72, don't forget to hit that like button. Want more deep dives into cutting-edge military tech? Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you think Aurora was real or just a myth? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.